Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Nationwide Insurance Review My US Policy and Claims Experience. Nationwide Insurance Review My US Policy and Claims Experience offers insights and analysis into nationwide insurance, specifically regarding US policies and customer claims experiences. It's targeted at US residents considering nationwide insurance or those who want to better understand their existing policy and the claims process. Key features likely include information on different policy types, coverage options, claim filing procedures, and customer reviews. Their website likely provides detailed information on various nationwide insurance products, from auto and home to life and pet insurance. The service aims to offer transparency in pricing and policy details, potentially highlighting benefits like accident forgiveness, vanishing deductibles, or usage-based insurance options. It likely compares Nationwide's offerings with competitors in the market, helping customers understand their options and make informed decisions. The service probably uses data analysis and customer feedback to provide an overview of the claims process, highlighting the ease or difficulty of filing claims and the typical turnaround time. You can likely find more information on Nationwide's website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Nationwide Insurance Review My US Policy and Claims Experience. I was looking to switch car insurance providers and wanted to research Nationwide before getting a quote. I found the Nationwide Insurance Review resource online and was immediately impressed by how easy it was to navigate. The site clearly laid out the different types of insurance they offer, from auto and homeowners to renters and even pet insurance. I focused on the auto insurance section, comparing their coverage options with my current policy. The site provided clear explanations of things like collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, and liability limits, making it simple to understand the nuances of each. I also spent some time reading customer reviews about their claims experiences. The review section was well organized and allowed me to filter by policy type, which was helpful. While some reviews mentioned longer wait times for claims processing, the majority praised Nationwide's helpful customer service representatives and fair claim settlements. One standout feature for me was a tool that allowed me to compare Nationwide's average premiums with other leading insurers in my state. This provided valuable context and helped me understand how competitive their pricing was. One minor drawback was that some of the older reviews seemed outdated, but there were plenty of recent ones to give me a good overall picture. I also had a quick question about roadside assistance coverage and sent an email to their support team. They responded within a day with a clear and helpful answer. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the information I found using the Nationwide Insurance Review. It gave me a comprehensive understanding of their services and customer experiences, which will be invaluable as I shop around for new car insurance. That's my overview of Nationwide Insurance Review My US Policy and Claims Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.